Hi, I'm Kirsty, property partner at CR Real Estate. Today I'm here outside this 3-bedroom terraced home in Beacon Road. Come with me, let's take a look inside. So this home is split level. As you enter the home, you are greeted with a downstairs WC, this gorgeous country style kitchen, a lounge diner, and also access into the south facing garden. The first floor of this home has 3 generous sized bedrooms, and the top floor you have a family bathroom. Chatham train station is close by, with it only being 40 minutes into London. Primary schools such as Luton Primary is within walking distance, as well as secondary schools such as Victory Academy and Chatham Grammar School less than a mile away from the property. At the front of the home you have a driveway for 2 cars, as well as a garage which could be converted into another room subject to planning or kept as storage. So if this home is exactly what you're looking for, give me a call on the number below to arrange your viewing.